welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna review the mid-pipe and the charge pipe that I just installed. Shout out Arm Motorsports once again. Link in the description, link right below, right here. But I'm not gonna waste no time. Let's get straight into it and buy BMW.
First and foremost, the sound is a #1 pro with the mid-pipe. Shout out Arm Motorsports because they knew what they was doing when they made this. Car sounds way deeper. It sounds way more throatier, like almost like a V8, bro, like a diesel type. Way more free-flowing. The thing about the OEM mid-pipe is there's 2 resonators on it. Without there being any resonators on there, it's almost straight pipe all the way through to the muffler. And I got the in-performance muffler, which y'all know. Shout out BMW MPE. Mid-pipe plus in-performance muffler goes crazy. On top of the catless downpipe, wow. Amazing. But that's #1 pro with the mid-pipe is the sound. And I'm gonna give that 10 out of 10 improvement from OEM. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
So this leads me to the next pro, which is gonna be performance. So with it being a mid-pipe, obviously the diameter is bigger. So I believe that the OEM diameter is about 3 inches and it's an oval, whereas the Arm mid-pipe is 3.25 inches and it's also a complete circle. So you also have more free-flowing exhaust, which is gonna produce more horsepower and you're gonna drive a lot faster. I don't know all the scientific things behind that, but you know what I mean? If you know, you know. If you don't know, do more research. Performance is the #2 pro and it's fire.
Pro #3, which is going to be the weight savings. So as you know, OEM mid-pipe got the 2 resonators. I don't know how much they weigh, but that's extra weight on top of the mid-pipe. Boom, boom, you cut those out. On top of it being 304 stainless steel, which is going to lead me into my next point, which is the build quality. All around, bro, like, if you're looking for a mid-pipe, don't get the Deanin, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean? Get the Arm Motorsports because it's fire. Shout out the weight savings, you know? Less weight makes it go more faster, or less mass in motion. That's gonna bring me to the last pro, which is gonna be the build quality. Chef's kiss. 304 stainless steel, amazing quality. Very lightweight, very durable. I haven't had no issues yet. The clamps are fire. They gave me extra washers just in case I needed more clearance. Those clamps was like mad heavy duty. Like, I know the clamps on the OEM mid-pipe are welded onto the mid-pipe, but these clamps that Arm Motorsports sent, very good quality, very heavy duty, and I know my mid-pipe is never gonna come apart. Shout out Arm Motorsports once again on the build quality. You guys did your thing in the lab. It's amazing. I haven't had no issues so far. You guys know, there has to be some cons, right? Let's get into the cons, right? Let's get into the cons. You guys already knew there was gonna be one con. There has to be. Nobody's perfect, right? Installation. Because the mid-pipe fits to the OEM muffler. But you guys know I have the in-performance muffler. The diameter is actually larger to where you connect the mid-pipe to the muffler. So with that being the case, shameful. Obviously, I don't have the OEM muffler. So we had to weld the mid-pipe to the muffler, but we also used the clamp. So that's the only downside. I mean, if you don't have the in-performance muffler, it's gonna go perfect. If you have the in-performance muffler, I mean, my boy, take it to the muffler shop, exhaust shop, whatever you want to call it, and get right. But besides that, there was no other cons. I mean, there is one more little con too. I put the clip in. It was kind of hidden against the cross brace. So I had to put some exhaust wrap in between the cross brace and the mid-pipe so it wouldn't clank no more. But besides that, it's solid. It's running how it should be. It's running chef's kiss. I know I keep doing that, but bro, like, it's perfect right now, literally. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend the mid-pipe.
The first pro about the charge pipe is increased airflow, which also complements the mid-pipe. But increased airflow in the charge pipe due to the increased diameter. Also, I don't know if you can see, the build quality goes crazy. Like, what? But that's the #1 pro is increased airflow, increased diameter.
So increased diameter, increased airflow, the throttle response is way more responsive. Like I'll barely be on the gas, probably like 5%, 10%, and it feels like I'm in sport. I ain't gonna lie to you. So that's the number 2 Pro. Throttle response, fire. Once again, Arm Motorsports knew what they was doing. To point number 3, since we right here, you guys see it? 1, 2, 3. What they say, 2 is a duo, 3 is a trio. Tri-port, meth, boost, coolant, bro, whatever you could imagine. You could do it all at once, bro. You could literally do it all at once. Currently, I'm not running anything extra. I'm just stock still, low key. I might run some Nas, I don't know, but we gonna see. But future proof, you don't have to buy another charge pipe if you got this charge pipe already, because it already has 1, 2, 3 ports, you know? So whatever you wanna do, you could do it with this charge pipe. Right. So getting into the last pro about the charge pipe, easy install. I know I low-key exaggerated when I installed it on my IG, play the clip. It really was easy. Like, I didn't have to remove anything extra. The charge pipe was pretty easy to take out. If you don't ever work on your car, you could probably install this charge pipe. I'm not gonna lie, just YouTube it, you're good to go. Let's get into the cons. No cons for the charge pipe, bro. Charge pipe goes crazy. I just want to say a big shout out to Arm Motorsports once again. 10 out of 10 for both products. 10 out of 10 for the customer service. Tap in with Arm Motorsports, they gonna get you right. Tell them Rad React sent you or tell them J-Rad sent you. Either one, it don't matter. Much love. Thank you for watching as always. And until next time, I will see y'all.
Grrr.